Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study in a private medical college, step by step. First, begin by researching different private medical colleges to find programs that align with your academic goals and interests. Carefully review their specific admission requirements and application deadlines to ensure you meet all criteria. Simultaneously, prepare diligently for standardized entrance exams, such as the MCAT, aiming for a competitive score. Next, focus on crafting a standout application. Secure strong letters of recommendation from professors or mentors who know your abilities well. Dedicate time to writing compelling personal statements that genuinely highlight your passion for medicine and unique experiences. Be sure to showcase any relevant extracurricular activities, volunteer work, or research experience to demonstrate your commitment. As you progress, prepare for interviews by practicing common questions and refining your communication skills. This is a crucial step in demonstrating your suitability for medical school. Simultaneously, explore various scholarship opportunities and financial aid options to help cover tuition costs. Carefully consider student loans and understand their repayment plans before committing to any agreements. Finally, once you receive acceptance offers, carefully evaluate each one to choose the private medical college that best fits your aspirations and needs. Complete all necessary enrollment paperwork promptly to secure your spot. Remember to check the description for links to helpful resources and other great deals, including the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. We wish you the very best on your journey to becoming a medical professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.